Hi everyone, hi, welcome back today for this new painting session. The other day I made this painting. I've been loving that background and I think a lot of colors will work on that background. So I have here a different size canvas and I'm planning to use more of a circular composition. Normally I use circular compositions more on square paintings, but today I will try to do that on this long painting. Let's get started. So I still have my wet brushes of that painting, by the way, and so that's fine because the background needs to be a similar color. Some white and just a little touch of the paint's gray, very wet, but I want this to be very wet. So this is now a very light grayish blue. I think I might like that. It will always dry a bit darker, of course, but that one is quite dark. Maybe it's nice to start with a lighter background. And let's start creating some brush strokes for the composition. And if you want to learn what acrylics and brushes I use, because I get those questions daily, check out the description for my art supply list. We go here a bit. Well, you catch my drift with the circular composition. I don't know, I'm really liking that. So, because the background is wet, I can just take that away for now. Just trying to feel this composition first before I do other things. I don't want too harsh lines to start with, I think. That's why I'm just taking that away a bit. You know what? Let's already start adding some white. And I do want to add the transparent red in it as well. Use that there and probably also the violet. Such a beautiful combination, the paint's gray together with the transparent red. I'm just using the same brush strokes. I think that part is stunning. I really like that. Just working in this circle like that. Off to a great start. You see it? Ooh. I'm really liking the motion of this. It's just so beautiful. I think I like this part the best, and that part is now taking over a bit. I don't think that's what I want. So you know what? I'm gonna do something weird here. We'll be taking this away here. But I do need something there. I think it's super cool in its minimalism. It's super neat too. I love the flow of it. I can add more, but for this, now I will let it dry. Maybe I will add some lines later, I don't know yet. I will first need to see it when it's dry and hanging on my wall, and just taking a couple of days to look at it and start feeling if it truly does need more. I'll be back. And here we go. So I had this painting for a couple of days in my living room just to really start feeling it, and it just does not need anything. I love this flow, the composition, color palette. It's simple, it's minimal, but this works. And like I said before, this painting is very neat. Normally I do touch up a couple of lines, but it was not needed at all here. What do you think? Let me know, would love to hear it. Because this is quite a new color palette, isn't it? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week, Saturday.